Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is Gabe with Indigo Software, genuine Microsoft software for less. In today's video, we're going to show you guys how to use Rufus to create a Windows 10 bootable USB drive. We have a video specifically covering how to install Rufus as well as how to download Windows files using Rufus. Feel free to watch that video first. You can find that here. In this video, we will cover some different ways to download Windows 10, and we're going to show you exactly how to create that bootable drive. Before we get started with that, if you're interested in purchasing Windows 10, Windows 11, Microsoft Office, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so here we are inside of Rufus. We'll leave a download link in the description box below, as well as that video link for how to download and install Rufus. All right, so the first thing is to change the device. It's critical that you select the right device. So I have my USB plugged in, which is a 256 gigabyte thumb drive. So yeah, just make sure that's the correct one selected. Boot selection here, we can leave that alone. Now, if you already have your image file, you can hit select. If you don't, you can drop this arrow down and click download. And by clicking download, we could choose Windows 10, hit continue, choose your build, hit continue, choose your edition, hit continue, language, continue one more time, and your architecture. All right, and then we could just download this straight to our desktop. All right, so it's downloading Windows 10 for us. I will see you guys once it's done. All right, so we now have our image file. If you already had one, or if you prefer to download from a different method, here we can actually just use the select option. So that's what we're going to do here. We're going to select our Windows 10 installation file. That's the .iso file here. I have it on my desktop. All right, cool. And then when it comes to partition scheme, there is an important note to make here. So MBR would be your legacy BIOS, and then GPT is the UEFI BIOS setting, okay? Generally speaking, anything 10 years old or newer, GPT will be the preferred partition scheme. And then target system, UEFI is fine. And here we have some additional options. I'll go ahead and just click start. By default, we have the top option checked, which will remove the requirement for 4 gigs of RAM, Secure Boot, and TPM 2.0 from the installation. This is kind of specific to what you need and what system you actually have. I'll go ahead and uncheck it because I don't really need that requirement removed. All right, I'm not going to select anything else, although you do have additional options. I'll go ahead and press OK. Now, this warning is very critical. We are about to format this drive, which means that anything and everything that's on the drive is going to be deleted, destroyed permanently. You can't get it back. So please just make sure that you don't have critical data on this drive before you hit continue. I'll hit OK. All right, guys, so I won't be actually doing any installation here, but the status bar in Rufus has completed. And just to show you guys inside of the drive, we now have our application files, as well as our auto run, our boot, and our other files that are necessary to boot from a DVD. So I could go on to use this drive for a Windows installation if I wanted to, and you can access this from the boot manager in your BIOS settings. We do have a video where we've actually done this before, so if you guys want to see that, we'll put that in the description as well. But your drive is now good to go. All right, guys, so that's going to do it for today's video. If you have any questions about any parts of that process, drop those in the comment section below, and we'll get back to you as soon as possible. Again, if you're interested in purchasing Windows 10, Windows 11, Microsoft Office, or a wide variety of other Microsoft software at a great price, check out Indigo Software. We'll put links down below. We strongly encourage any specific video topic ideas you may have. And lastly, a like and subscribe would be greatly appreciated as it helps to support the channel. So thanks again for watching. We'll see you guys next time.